Welcome to Low Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore how to add some significant structure elements to your Google form. So you've got your Google form, and suppose it's a long form, there's a lot of sections, a lot of questions that you're asking, and you don't want the form to feel like it's all one huge questionnaire. One of the ways you can break up the questions and the other elements in your form is to insert a title and description at various points throughout the form. Right, this is different from the normal title and description that would appear at the top of the form. You can actually add that title and description element anywhere in the form that you would like. Go over to this little menu on the side and you see where it has two capital T's. If you hover over it, it says Add Title and Description. And basically you get another one of these little title boxes where you can add your own title. You can format the title using bold, italics, underline. You can add a link in the title and you can clear that formatting, and then in the description you can add a more thorough description of what this particular section of the quiz or form is about. And you also have a bunch of formatting options for that as well. So if your form is going to be fairly long and you want to break it apart for the user so that they understand what it is that they're working on, it may help to add a title and description for these large chunks of your form to help explain what that part of the form is for and why you have it there.